I'm Travis, this is my dog Sam, and this is our home on wheels. We're a few days into our trip to see all four corners of America and have recently made it to the stunning, awe-inspiring state of Utah. Today will be a much-needed rest and reset before our next adventure that follows. We are out at our free campsite here. Sammy's just gonna chase his tail now. A rare sighting today. Did you catch it? Well, little did we know we were waking up to an air show this morning. I just took Sam for like a little walk down the road and all of a sudden I'm like, that's a paramotor. It's pretty cool. So today we are actually gonna pack up and move from this spot because we've actually been here for like 3 days now. We're actually heading into the town of Escalante, very much out of food and groceries, and there's just a few things that I need to get. All right, we are finally back on solid ground again and smooth roads. And we're gonna go stop at the grocery store right now and pick up much needed supplies. Nice little grocery store here in town. It's the only grocery store for a while, so it's got the essentials stocked up here. They definitely had some produce, but I had to kind of dig around for the fresh stuff. And a couple things I got really have to be used pretty soon. But I did get this kind of local looking bread. I've never seen this brand before, but it looks pretty good and looks fresh and simple ingredients. So just had a quick lunch. We're gonna go over to the visitor center on the edge of town and right across from the campground that we're staying at, and then see if they have trash, water, see if there's any info or any cool stuff there. Look what I just found. A little water. Gonna fill the big tank up. All right, I haven't filled up water since before lightening the bottle, so this is much needed. I think I had like a little less than half a tank, so we carry 20 gallons of fresh water under the bed, which lasts us a long time because I really only use it for like brushing my teeth and kind of rinsing dishes sometimes, washing hands. But we're pretty conservative on the water because I fill up the gallon jugs with drinking water usually if I find like the purified glacier water or the grocery store where you can refill your own jugs. So I kind of do that separate from this the big main tank. If push came to shove, we could drink this water too. Just might not taste as good. So here's the tank. Looks like it's almost there. All right, that should be good. Now let's go check out where we're staying tonight, which is conveniently right across the street. All right, we've made it to Escalante Cabin and RV Park. So let's go check in. Hey, how's it going, brother?
Chilling, man. How you doing?
Good, I'm doing well. Just checking in. I have a tent site.
Down this way, and before you go down this hill, you'll just take the right. You'll go down this way, and you'll be right here, right across from the restrooms.
Perfect. It's very much not level, and it's pretty uneven, so... Sorry, my other camera died, so I'm using my phone now. I'm gonna ask and see if campsite 30 is open because, which it looks to be, because it's way level compared to this one. Here's 31, this one looks good. I think we're level there. All right. Officially at our camp spot, got ourselves level. Here's the new spot. Got a little fire pit, picnic table. There's the van. You can see why those levelers are absolutely crucial. So the only thing is the other spot was definitely a lot more scenic, but it's definitely worth having this leveled spot. But we can always walk up here. So let's go back to this first spot and compare Bathrooms over here. Looks like they did have water, but oh well. Bathrooms, I think they said there's showers as well. And here is the spot we were in, which this isn't gonna do it justice, but it's pretty slanted to the top here. Like level spot for a tent if you had one. And then you have this as your backyard. So definitely wins on the scenic route. Like I said, if you were in a tent or with a small car, you'd be totally fine. Kind of want to go walk around the town as well. Maybe when the sun goes down a little bit though. It's pretty hot right now. So right now I have a little bit of a van project that I've been putting off, but it's time. This bug screen that I use holds up pretty well, except for I just didn't really install it 100%. Because every time I open this or Sam jumps in, this corner wants to come off. And it's because I need more Velcro up here. This corner really just needs some loving, because I think that's where most of the time it gets pulled on is this corner, so it really needs to be secured the best. So I think I'm gonna use this because it's thicker. There's more to hold on to. So I think I'm gonna replace what I had in there. That'll help a lot. So we're gonna do that. Show you what this looks like now. I think I got this corner a lot better using their Velcro again, and then have it up here in this corner as well. But yeah, I think this whole side needs it. All right, this is looking so much better already. It's like nice and tight. Looks like it's holding up there. Fingers crossed, that's good. Last is just this little corner right here on the step portion. Okay, I'm gonna call that good for now. What I loved about this one, this is the brand I went with. They actually custom did it. They custom fit this to this van and this door. What's cool is Sam can push his way through it. So it kind of acts as like a doggy door for Sam, but it also keeps the bugs out. You can actually roll it up, and so you can actually stow it away without uninstalling it or anything. So it was an investment, but now it's great quality. Very happy with it so far. All right guys, it is a little bit later. Got ourselves pretty well situated in the van. It's nice and clean. Took out the trash, did some chores, flew the drone. Time to go for a walk. Leaving the fans on in the van so that when we get back, there's still circulation, it's not hot as well. So this place also has some cabins that you can rent. Not sure how much they are, but they're up on this cool hill. Little private cabins with a view. Got some propane hookups. Got this view. I think this one's the best, number 50, personally. Got this porch, pretty cool. Okay, obviously there's no one here, otherwise I would not be like going up to them, but just wanted to check it out, see what it looks like. Pretty cool. Got your private little patio, some nice decor. All right, anyway, back to our walk. And I just noticed they got this little like, kind of like a mini dog park. If you have like a small dog, I think it's good. I'm gonna take one of these. Sam would like not know what to do with himself in this little cage, but so, all right, Sam. Nothing like laying under the tree on a sunny day in the park. All right, and just like that, we've made it back to the camp. Now, we're gonna go chill in the van, cool off. I'm gonna edit for an hour or two, and then I'm gonna go chill, go check out the pub solo this evening. All right, guys, so I am walking over to 4th West Pub, is what it's called, not 4th Street Pub. And it is the only pub on the scenic Highway 12, which is the highway that connects Bryce Canyon to Capitol Reef. Apparently this is the only pub in the middle, so I'm gonna go check it out right now, get some dinner, maybe a beverage. We'll see what this place is like on a Saturday in Escalante. So they were very full. I wanted to sit at the bar. Yeah, it was a little too crowded, so I think I'm gonna wait just a little bit, and then we'll go check again here in like maybe 20-30 minutes and see if a spot at the bar is opened up. Otherwise, I'll just join a table. Get this like poker table chilling in the corner here. It's the full-on like leather. It's pretty cool. Got a pool table over here. Alright, I'm having like a 9.5. It's really good. Alright, guys. We got the burger. Are you? What? Really good. That's all I needed. Delicious. All right, good morning. The pub was good last night. The food was incredible. The beer was good. And we kind of slept in today. I have a little list of chores to do while we're at this campsite still. Checkout time is supposed to be 11, so I have a little bit of time left, but I need to do laundry and then shower. I think that's it. All right, so change of plans. I'm actually gonna go shower first because checkout time is at 11 and it's like 10:30 now. And I think, so laundry here is actually open to the public, so I can just pull my van around and do laundry and take my time, but my private shower, I'm gonna take advantage of that while I'm within my time limit. Bathroom here. Okay, so here. All right, so here is a little private bathroom and shower that comes with the tent site. So big advantage having this. And it's free. Well, it's free with the campsite. So I'm gonna shower and then we will do laundry. All right, all showered up. Nice hot shower. Gonna move the van around to the laundromat on the side of the building. So I have washed most of my clothes. I'm just hanging some of the ones that I don't want to be shrinking in the dryer. So that's where in the van, this my blackout curtain rod comes in handy because I can use it as a little hanging rod. Quick lunch here, and then we're gonna get out of here once the laundry's done drying, get back on the road. I think we're just going a little bit, we're not going that far. We're gonna go, I think, to the next campground because we're gonna go hike this Falls Trail tomorrow, and I want to get set up as close to that spot as possible so we can start really early tomorrow. So I'll show you where we end up. All right, guys, well, I don't know how, but somehow we got a spot here on a Sunday here at this campsite, right at the trailhead of to the waterfalls. So Dan, the camp host, who's rode by on his bike, gave me a little registration slip. I'm gonna go check us in, make it official. It's like 15 bucks to stay here, which is crazy cheap for where this is. And so I'm gonna do that. We're gonna like look around a little bit, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and end this video here, and then the next video we'll pick up right where this is left off, and we're gonna go for this 6-mile hike to the waterfalls. So as always, I appreciate you guys' support on this channel, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It really helps this channel out, and that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.